Next question we are going to discuss is define maximum height and horizontal range and derive the equations for maximum height and horizontal range of a projectile. Maximum height, the vertical displacement covered by the projectile before its vertical component of velocity becomes zero. From the equation of motion, v square minus u square equal to minus 2gs. When we substitute 0 in the place of v and u sin theta in the place of u and h maximum in the place of s, we get 0 square minus u sin theta whole square equal to minus 2g h maximum. From the above equation, we get 2g h maximum equal to u square sin squared theta. Finally, we get h maximum equal to u square sin squared theta by 2g. Next, we are going to find horizontal range. First, we can define horizontal range. Horizontal range or the horizontal distance travelled by the projectile before it crosses the same horizontal line. To find horizontal range R equal to u cos theta into capital T. Here capital T is the time of flight. R equal to u cos theta into 2u sin theta by g. Since t is equal to 2u sin theta by g, r equal to u square 2 sin theta cos theta by g. Therefore, r equal to u square sin 2 theta by g. In the above expression, we use time of flight. Time of flight, capital T. Time taken by the projectile to reach the ground is called time of flight. From the equation of motion, s equal to ut minus half gt square, instead of s we put 0 and in the place of u we put the initial velocity in vertical direction u sin theta and in the place of t we put capital T. Therefore, 0 equal to u sin theta t minus half gt square. 0 equal to t times u sin theta minus half gt. Here t is not equal to 0. When we equate u sin theta minus half gt equal to 0, we get t equal to 2u sin theta by g. This t value we can use in the derivation of horizontal range. Next question we are going to discuss is, when an angle of projection is 45 degrees, prove that H maximum equal to R maximum by 4. To prove the above expression, maximum height H maximum equal to u square sin square theta by 2g. H maximum equal to u square sin square 45 degrees by 2g. We get H maximum equal to u square by 4g. Horizontal range R equal to u square sin 2 theta by g. When we substitute 45 degrees in the place of theta, we get R maximum equal to u square sin 2 into 45 degrees by g. That is equal to u square sin 90 degrees by g equal to u square by g. Therefore, R maximum is equal to u square by g. From equations 1 and 2, we get H maximum equal to R maximum by 4.